Create survey using Kobo toolbox. First, you click new, then build from scratch. Name your project. My project is coffee shop. Then description is business. The sector is use finance and insurance. Then the country is your country. Then create project. To add question, you click this button, then add a question. My question is, do you go to coffee shop? Then add question, select one, then input the yes or no. Then click this again to add question. Then where is that coffee shop located? Then add question, pick area to show the area of your coffee shop. Then add this. Then what kind of drink do you usually order? Then click yes. Click this button, then select menu,